Welcome back to the channel. If you're a tech enthusiast like me, you've probably been waiting for this. Today, we're diving into Apple's latest releases, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. We'll explore the new features, performance boosts, camera upgrades, and of course, help you figure out whether it's worth upgrading. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's dive into the iPhone 16. At first glance, it still has the familiar 6.1-inch display, which looks great as always. However, the real upgrades are under the hood. Apple introduced a new ultramarine color, a deep blue that adds a fresh look, though that's not the main reason to upgrade. The highlight is the new A18 chip, offering a 30% boost in CPU performance over the iPhone 15. Apps load faster, gaming is smoother, and it handles AI tasks more efficiently. Plus, with improved power management, you now get up to 22 hours of video playback an extra hour compared to last year. Another big change, Apple has switched to USB-C, so no more lightning cables. Faster charging with MagSafe is also here, now supporting up to 25 watts wirelessly, a great perk for frequent wireless chargers. Let's talk about the cameras, a key reason many of us upgrade. The iPhone 16 brings some solid improvements. First, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera now features autofocus, previously exclusive to the Pro models. This means sharper shots, especially in wide-angle scenarios like group photos or landscapes. Everything stays in focus, no matter the distance. Another change is the new linear camera layout, replacing the old boxy design. While it may seem minor, this tweak supports spatial video recording, perfect for those planning to use Apple's Vision Pro headset. It enhances immersive video experiences. And lastly, the new action button, formerly a Pro model feature, is now on the standard iPhone 16. You can customize it to quickly open the camera or turn on the flashlight, giving you quick access to key features. Now let's dive into the iPhone 16 Pro, designed for power users and tech enthusiasts. It features a slightly larger 6.3-inch display compared to the regular model, but the real highlight is the 120Hz ProMotion technology. This dynamic refresh rate makes scrolling smoother, animations more fluid, and it's a big deal for gaming and video watching. Plus, thinner bezels this year make the phone look even sleeker. Under the hood, the A18 Pro chip powers the device, handling demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking with ease. It offers faster processing, smoother graphics, and improved efficiency, perfect for those who push their phones to the limit. The iPhone 16 Pro really stands out with its camera upgrades. It now features a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, perfect for stunning macro shots. Whether capturing intricate details of flowers, insects, or textures up close, the clarity is remarkable. One of the biggest upgrades is the 5x optical zoom, a leap from the previous 3x zoom. Apple achieved this with a tetraprism design, allowing for better zoom without compromising image quality. If you love zooming in on distant subjects without losing detail, this is a game changer. For video creators, the iPhone 16 Pro supports 4K video at 120 FPS, enabling ultra-smooth slow-motion footage in 4K resolution. Perfect for action shots, sports, or fun moments, the video quality is exceptional. Another standout is the Studio Quality 4 mic array. Ideal for vloggers or podcasters, it delivers clearer vocals with reduced background noise. Paired with the video upgrades, the iPhone 16 Pro could easily replace a dedicated camera setup. Now let's talk about the pricing. The iPhone 16 starts at $799, while the iPhone 16 Pro is priced at $999. Even though the iPhone 16 Pro costs $200 more, its advanced camera, 5x zoom, and ProMotion display make it a more appealing choice. So, which iPhone should you choose? If you want strong performance, better battery life, and camera upgrades without breaking the bank, the iPhone 16 is a solid choice. It's reliable, stylish, and perfect for everyday use. However, if you're into cutting-edge features, especially in photography, video, and display, the iPhone 16 Pro is the way to go. The 5x zoom, 48-megapixel camera, and 120Hz ProMotion display are major upgrades, worth the extra cost if those features are important to you. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities. Both models are excellent, but the Pro is for those seeking the very best. That's it for today's video. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. And hey, let me know in the comments which iPhone you're leaning towards. Are you upgrading or sticking with your current model? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.